Okay, this is the walkway. This is 134 by 3. Okay, that's just the walkway, 134 feet by 3. And then this little patch here is a 2 by 5. And going further. Then I have the measurements for this. Okay, and we're gonna go further. All right. We got this, as well as all of this. Oh, excuse me.
You better give one a Devin because he threw me into
We have all this. It's already been formed. This just needs to be tight. The forms need to be tightened up. And this area here where the I'll have to see it. Oh, thanks anyway. Okay, it's already been formed in that. It just needs to be poured and tweaked.